everybody. So today I'm going to show you the code that I've been working on for the past few weeks. So this code is a Goldberg Design. So let me just run my code and just first of all, there's a rail here and a detector rail at the end, and the hopper is getting a lot of blocks here, as you see. Like it gets in the dispenser because later there's something like very fun showing up. So as you see, this is like my Goldberg design. It's not like all the redstone's not that complicated, and so it's pretty easy to code it out. But at the end, I'm just gonna go here. So it's gonna like write Happy New Year, but at the end there's a bit of like some redstone contraption scene. So as you see, some sand falls, but like it gets replaced back anyway. And then as you see, like there's some basic redstone here. And then let me like run the entire contraption and let you guys see how my Roblox is designed. So first of all, you need to get a minecart. Maybe I should add like a minecart rail that like ride on the minecart forever. Click the button and the minecart goes. And the detector rail here powers the piston and the entire line fires. And then this block, fired by the dispenser, is going to travel in this blue glass highway waterfall into here. And it gets pushed by the slime block and then bouncing off these slime blocks and go on the next path. So that's a very neat one because I can save a lot of code like doing this and like not do a lot of like glass highways, like glass highways. This is the part I like the most, where it got like all the pressure plates like connected to sticky piston. So now a new block is here, like because the scaffolding broke and there's an observer that detected so now as you see, when the block hits here the pressure plate, and then the redstone torch here turns off, and then as you see the entire, and then you can see Happy New Year. Yeah, so Happy New Year to all of you, and hopefully you like this video. And if you like, please subscribe and like the video, and I'll make more if you guys like it.